Hello students. In today's video we are going to study types of cellular respiration. We have so far learned that oxygen is required for respiration. Okay, we have learned this कि we require oxygen for respiration. Some organisms can release energy from food without using oxygen, but there are some organisms they can release energy from their food without oxygen. Therefore, respiration may be of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now, in the cell, the food, that is glucose, is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. I told you before also. So, when breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, where oxygen is involved, is known as aerobic respiration. And food can also be break down without using oxygen. That process is known as anaerobic respiration. So firstly, we will study aerobic respiration in detail. Okay, aerobic respiration is the mode of respiration in which energy is released from the food using oxygen. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन वो रेस्पिरेशन है इन विच एनर्जी रिलीज होती है फूड से ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में. ओके, लाइक ग्लूकोज combines with oxygen, forms carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this type of respiration is known as aerobic respiration. Okay, and this type of respiration is seen in almost all the plants and animals. Next type of respiration is anaerobic respiration. The mode of respiration in which energy is released from the food without use of oxygen is known as anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means जिसमें एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है फूड से बट ऑक्सीजन नीड नहीं है, विदाउट द यूज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. This type of respiration is known as anaerobic respiration. Okay, glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and release energy, and the amount of energy released in an anaerobic respiration is less than the release during aerobic respiration, as glucose is not completely oxidized. Anaerobic respiration is generally observed in yeasts, okay, and some bacteria. What happens in them, they get energy through anaerobic respiration. Means in the absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down, and what does glucose form? It forms alcohol, that is ethanol, okay, plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Okay, these organisms can survive even in the absence of oxygen, so they are known as anaerobes. Okay, and some other organisms, they carry out anaerobic respiration for a short time but eventually need oxygen to continue to survive. Humans carry out aerobic respirations. As I told you before also, we need oxygen. वो ऑक्सीजन ही फूड को ब्रेक डाउन कर सकता है. बट समटाइम्स in certain cells like muscle cells, the muscle cells, they can also respire anaerobically without oxygen. Okay, but only for short time. Okay, during heavy exercise, what happens, जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा vigorous physical work करते हो या heavy exercise करते हो, फास्ट रनिंग करते हो, साइकिलिंग करते हो, वॉकिंग करते हो 1 आवर के लिए, तो क्या होता है कि हमारी जो मसल्स के अंदर ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड है वो बढ़ जाती है. ओके, ऑक्सीजन डिमांड इज़ इंक्रीज, हमें ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. तो उस टाइम पे जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा फिजिकल वर्क करते हैं तो हमें क्या होता है, वी मे ब्रीथ फास्ट बट वी डू नॉट गेट इनफ ऑक्सीजन. हम बहुत तेज से ब्रीथिंग करने लग जाते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, glucose is partially broken down without the use of oxygen in that case to form lactic acid, and it releases energy. Okay, and lactic acid accumulates in our muscles and it causes soreness and muscle cramps. और ये जो lactic acid बनता है वो हमारी muscles के अंदर collect हो जाता है, accumulate हो जाता है और वो हमें muscle cramps देता है, तब हमें pain होता है. Now we come to difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration में क्या होता है? It is common in plants and animals. Okay. Anaerobic respiration, it is observed in bacteria, yeast. Okay. Aerobic respiration, they requires presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, they do not require presence of oxygen. The end product of aerobic respiration is carbon dioxide and water, and the end product of anaerobic respiration is alcohol, that is ethanol, and carbon dioxide or lactic acid. And in aerobic respiration more energy is released, and anaerobic respiration less energy is released. I am explaining you third point again. Aerobic respiration के अंदर क्या बनता है? एंड प्रोडक्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनती है एंड वाटर बनता है. ओके. और एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन के अंदर एल्कोहल दैट इज़ इथेनॉल प्रोड्यूस होता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होती है और सम केसेस के अंदर लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस होता है. Now we come to respiration in plants. Like animals, plants also carry out respiration to get energy they need for various life functions. Plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants do not have special respiratory organs. Plants के पास कोई proper respiratory special organs नहीं होते हैं. There is a very little transport of gases that occur. All the individual cells of the plants respire, but the exchange of gases with the surrounding air take place in specific places. You know where in plants where exchange of gases take place? Yes, in the leaves. And leaves के underside stomata होते हैं, and the opening and the closing of stomatal pores is controlled by two bean-shaped guard cells. This you all have studied in first chapter. Oxygen and carbon dioxide, they simply diffuse in and out of the cell, the stomatal pores. Okay. And the stems of woody plants have small openings जिसको lenticles कहते हैं, and these help in exchange of gases. Roots of the plants, they also take up the air which is present in the soil through the root hair. And what happens? Plants दे अंडरगो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. ठीक है. प्लांट्स जो है एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं वेयर ग्लूकोज इज़ ब्रोकन डाउन टू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर विद द रिलीज ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड सम ऑफ दिस एनर्जी इज़ लॉस्ट एज हीट. नाउ वी कम टू स्टडी photosynthesis and respiration. In the previous classes, we have learned that plants are autotrophs. You know, plants can make their own food. वो अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं, इसलिए उनको autotrophs कहते हैं. Photosynthesis is just the opposite of respiration. Photosynthesis जो है वो respiration का opposite है, because during photosynthesis प्लांट्स कंबाइन करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से, वाटर से, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल, एंड दे फॉर्म ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन. फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए प्लांट्स दे कंबाइन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड किसके साथ कंबाइन करते हैं? वाटर, क्लोरोफिल और सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में, एंड दे फॉर्म ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन. है हेयर एनर्जी इज़ यूज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सनलाइट. ऑन द अदर हैंड रेस्पिरेशन में क्या होता है? प्लांट्स इस ग्लूकोज को ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं यूजिंग ऑक्सीजन इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and water, releasing energy in the form of heat. Now we come to our last topic, that is difference between photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, what is photosynthesis? It is the process by which plants prepare their own food. Plant अपना खाना produce करते हैं, okay, in the form of glucose using carbon dioxide, water, presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In four things के presence में they make their own food. This process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, respiration क्या होता है? रेस्पिरेशन इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज यूजिंग ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ करके ब्रेक डाउन करना ग्लूकोज को टू फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. वाटर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनता है एंड टू रिलीज एनर्जी. फोटोसिंथेसिस इट अकर्स ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम एज सनलाइट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. डे टाइम में होती है. रेस्पिरेशन डे में भी होता है, नाइट में भी होता है. फोटोसिंथेसिस it occurs mainly in green plants, okay, because chlorophyll is needed. But respiration, exchange of gases take place in the leaves, stems, roots, in the cell, every part of the cell, okay. And in photosynthesis the chemical equation कैसे लिखी जाती है? Carbon dioxide it combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and glucose C6H12O6 plus oxygen is formed. And the chemical reaction for the respiration is glucose combines with oxygen, forms carbon dioxide, water, and release energy. With this we have finished with our lesson. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.